Hi guys, it's me and my dad, and we're playing Burping Bobbie.
Burping Bobbie, gross!
Bobby. Now who's this from? Goliath?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Goliath, for sending us Burping Bobbie.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Although, is he gonna burp?
Yeah.
Is that like
Ew.
Burping Daddy?
Ew. So,
Alright. So what does
Burping
it say?
Bobbie, what is he? He's a
It says, watch out for this burp. And does it stink?
Ew.
Oh, no. What in the world?
Ew, you're gonna have to hold your nose because
Alright,
it's gonna be
let's
stinky.
open it up.
Yep.
What is Burping Bobbie? What kind of
He's a
animal
hippo.
is he? A hippo?
Yep.
Hippopotamus.
All right, let's look in the box. It looks like we have a friend here on the front of the box, and he's holding his nose because it's stinky.
Stinky burp.
I got
Stinky
them.
time.
I got them.
All right, let's look in there to see what's all in the Burping Bobbie box. Oh my
Giant blue
goodness.
hippo.
Burping Bobbie. That's pretty cool.
I thought we have to. Oh.
Okay, so we got all these little coins.
Ooh.
They look like
Burp,
pizza.
Burp. Ew.
They have pizza and pop and cheese
Ew.
and sausage.
Onions. Do you like onions?
Oh, man.
No way. Ew. Ew. Dad's getting them all over here. Gross.
Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, pop them all.
I smell the stinky. Do you?
No.
The stinky
That's
burps.
Lola.
Burp.
It's Lola.
Is it stinky?
Nope.
No. Burp.
Okay.
Not yet.
Not yet.
We need the handle.
Okay.
And
Ew. What's in that bag? Look at all this stinky food.
handle.
Ew, this must be what makes the burp. All right, we're gonna set it all up, friends, and then play Burping Bobbie. All right, here's Burping Bobbie. He's all ready. Okay, Caleb, so how are we gonna play the game?
We're gonna put something in it.
You gotta
You
feed.
gotta pick what you want to do. You wanna
Bobby.
do pizza?
What are you
Hold
gonna
on,
feed
it's
him?
a secret. You gotta pick. You want to do a pizza, an onion, a garlic.
I want pizza.
Okay,
Okay.
so pick one up, and if you get pizza, then you get a point. Wait, you pick one up. What'd
Just
you get?
one. No, you only get one.
Yeah, you only get one chance.
You only get one.
If
Pick
you
one.
pick the wrong thing, then you have to feed it to Bobby. What'd you get?
Beans.
Ew!
So you gotta feed it to him.
All right, how many what's the number on the
2.
2? All right, so you got to feed it to Bobby. All right, close his mouth, and then you turn the handle 2 times.
1.
2.
Okay.
All right, it's Daddy's turn.
Okay, I'm gonna get pizza.
Ew.
Boom.
Did you get pizza? How many points do you get?
2.
2 points. All right, Caleb. What do you want to feed him this time? Onions? Okay. Did you get onions? You got onions!
All right, you got 2 points. Put it right
Good
there.
job. All right, it's Dad's turn.
2 points.
Okay, I want beans.
Beans. Ew.
No.
What'd you get?
Soda.
Soda in 3 turns. All right, you got to feed it to Bobby. Okay.
1, 2,
3. Good job. No burp from Bobby yet. All right, Kayla.
How does it move?
You got the more smelly foods you feed him,
The more burps.
the more he burps.
Okay,
I'm
go
gonna,
pick which one.
I'm gonna feed him
Which
Okay.
one do you want?
Which one is that?
Which one do you want?
that one.
No, which?
You got to pick.
Is
You
that
want to
a name?
give him pizza, cheese.
Cheese.
Okay. All right. What's on your coin? What'd you get? You got cheese. You did it. Good job.
All right, put it down there.
All right. Now it's Dad's turn.
Yeah, I want cheese too.
Okay. What'd you get, Dad?
Ha!
Did you get cheese too? Awesome.
Now you're winning with me.
Boom.
All right, it's Caleb's turn. All right, pick a food. How about beans?
Yeah.
Okay.
Again.
All right, let's try beans. What'd you get?
Not cheese.
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 All right, you gotta
I want
feed it to him.
cheese. I actually.
All right, you gotta feed
You
it
gotta
to Bobby.
feed it to him.
Lift his mouth up. Here we go.
Now you gotta crank it once.
Okay.
1.
1. Okay.
Okay. Oop, did he burp?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Oh, it's gone.
Is
All
this
right.
is
I
it
want
stinky yet?
Pizza.
Okay, pizza.
Oh, onion.
Ew.
Here we go.
Yum, yum,
Ready?
yum, yum, yum.
1,
After Daddy, it's my
2, 3.
I want beans.
Beans.
All right, pick it.
All right, what'd you get? Did you get beans?
Yeah.
Oh man,
Whoa,
good job.
I think I'm gonna do beans too.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, onion.
Okay.
2. Okay.
All right,
Open
Bobby.
up, buddy.
Here we go.
Here we go. 1, 2. Man.
Oh,
Back.
he almost got you. All right, Caleb.
All right, what kind do you want? Guess.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Okay. What'd you get?
Cola.
Cola.
You gotta do it one time.
All right.
Oh! What in the world?
Gross.
That was
That was so gross.
That's fall.
Let's rewind that. Let's see that again.
Whoa.
It's fall.
I did it again.
Oh
I'm
man.
gonna make you do it.
That is so gross.
Wow.
So was that Caleb who got him to burp?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I closed my nose.
Was it stinky?
Yep.
All right, let's do round 2. Oh! That's pretty cool. All right, what round is this?
Third and final round.
Round 2, okay.
I want.
So Dad won last round, so let's do
I want cheese.
cheese.
Oh,
did he get it?
You gotta feed him, and you gotta feed him one time.
All right, Bobby.
One time.
Let's feed Mr. Bobby. Yum, 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 yum. All right, one time.
Okay, now it's my turn. All right, I'm gonna win, and I want Coke. Ah, I got it.
Did you get Coke? All right, Caleb, pick a good one. How about cheese?
Yep.
Cheesy cheese. Oh no! Did you get beans?
Oh, how many? What numbers on it? Let's see what numbers on it. 1. You got lucky.
Good job.
Okay, do it 2. Okay. All the way around.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Dad's turn.
Beans. Nope. Garlic.
Garlic.
Oh man, 3 times.
3 times.
1, 2. Oh!
Dad lost. Good job. That was fun.
So
Okay. All right, Caleb. So what did you think of Burping Bobbie?
Good.
You liked it?
Yep.
Dad,
I think it was pretty funny.
pretty stinky. I liked Burping Bobbie. I give it a 2 big thumbs up.
Yep.
Very fun. All right, friends. If you like Burping Bobbie and you want to see Caleb and Daddy play more games,